Okay, here is a problem on average speed calculation. A train covers 30 kilometer journey at a constant speed of 60 kilometer per hour and the next 40 kilometer journey at a constant speed of 80 kilometer per hour. Find the average speed over the total interval. So there are two intervals, initial point to final point. There are two intervals. The first interval is for distance s1 and the second is for distance s2. The first interval happens with a speed of v1, the second with a speed v2, and the respective times are t1 and t2. Now what is the question? The question is to find the average speed. And by definition, this is the total distance divided by total time taken. What is that equal to? S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now, do we know the values of S1 and S2? Yes, 30 kilometer and 40 kilometer. Do we know the values of T1 and T2? No. So let's get them. To do this, I am using the equation V1 is equal to S1 by T1. This gives me T1 is equal to S1 by V1. Similarly, V2 is equal to S2 by T2. That implies T2 is equal to S2 divided by V2. Let us call this set of equations as 2. Now, I'll substitute the set 2 in equation 1. So, equation 1 takes the form average speed is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by S1 by V1 plus S2 divided by V2. So, this is how I calculate the average speed if two distance intervals are given. Distance intervals in terms of velocities. Now let us substitute for this. S1 plus S2, 30 plus 40. S1 by V1. What is S1? 30 divided by V1, 60 plus S2, 40, V2, 80. This simplifies to 30 plus 40 whole divided by, this is, how much is it? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, is right? So what do I get? So this is 30 plus 40 whole divided by half plus half 1, that is 70 divided by 1 or 70 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed. So average speed is equal to 70 kilometer per hour.